Welcome to the etherbank, the first 100% decentralized community fund. Etherbank is a financial system created with blockchain and smart contract technology. The most transparent financial fund system in the world. What is etherbank? The etherbank smart contract is designed to provide everyone with an independent, financial foundation based on blockchain and smart contract technology. By depositing ETH into the fund, you activate the program and will receive 350% back, distributed accordingly to the contract algorithm. Etherbank is 100% decentralized and community-based. There are no additional profits made in the system. It is a peer-to-peer support model which ensures fairness, transparency and justice for all. There are no mediators or intermediators, no owner, no company or human interaction, effectively guaranteeing the fairness of all participating partners according to the rules of the smart contract. How does etherbank works? Enter etherbank by depositing minimum of 0.01 Ethereum to the fund. 350% ROI is returned in 4 ways, 1 passive and 3 via marketing. When 350% accumulated through any of the 4 ways, a new deposit must be made equal or greater to continue to receiving from the fund. 1 to 1.5% ROI on your deposit, maximum 234 days. 2 10% direct referral for sharing and growing the community fund. 3 matching commission on partners' daily ROI income. 4 daily top referrer pool, 5% of all deposits. 1.5% of the invested amount is paid to all users by the system algorithm, up to point when the maximum deposit limit reached. Suppose your investment is 5 ETH, you are eligible to receive 17.5 ETH. Daily you will receive 0.075 ETH until the maximum limit is achieved by any of the 4 incomes. Awarded to sponsor when a direct partner makes a deposit, first deposit and redeposit. This is 10% of the invested amount. Suppose that your direct partner's investment is 10 ETH, you receive 1 ETH as your commission. There are no limits to how many direct partners you can have. All commissions apply toward the 3.5x limit. The daily ROI matching commission is based on the daily return of your partner's deposits and is awarded when any partner receives their daily income. The levels of matching is based on how many directs to you personally have, 1 level added for each direct referrals. 5% for top 4 daily sponsor fund pool. Every day 5% of the deposits is added to the top daily sponsor fund pool. 10% of the pool is awarded to the top 4 sponsors that day, and the remaining 90% is rolled over into the next day's pool. Allocation of the 10% is as allows: 1 stone to 40%, second minus 30%, third minus 20% and fourth minus 10%. The daily sponsor pool is active from day 1. Algorithm distribution of fund. 1% platform maintenance fee. 5% daily sponsor fund pool. 10% direct referral commission. 84% is reserved for the distribution of daily ROI and referral matching commissions. Important notes. Etherbank is a community-based project, 100% decentralized and peer-to-peer transactions through smart contract. Each deposit cycle is 350%. No referrals required in order to receive. 1.5% pays out daily to all members. Increase the speed of your returns by growing the community fund through marketing or sharing of etherbank. A smart contract is an intelligent protocol deployed on the Ethereum platform public chain. It has the characteristics of being non-corruptible, tamper-proof, fair, open and transparent. Etherbank is the most reasonable, safest and best cutting-edge financial support model available at this time. Get ready to rock. Click the link below for fast registration. Thank you.